video editing tutorials that you might just know. How to add a dot point to an object or product in a video like this? Okay, here we go. First, use CapCut application. Choose one video. For practice, use a simple video. After selecting the videos, click copy the video. Swipe in the toolbar. Okay, this is it. Copy video. After that, click video and then choose overlay. Once the video is overlaid, it will go down. Press and slide the video to the left to the initial limit of original video. Video overlay, then choose remove background. Choose brush icon. And then brush again. Then start using a finger or stylus to block the area of the object or your product. Try to continue when you block or swipe the area. After you finish to block the area, look at the bottom right. Yep, click there. There's some tools to scratch your image or your product. Swipe to the right if you want to find the dot scratch. Finish? This is the result. Okay, if you like kind video like this, please subscribe and follow me, Siska Saraswati. See you next. Sampai kapan-kapan ya.